Dr. Heise helped me overcome many issues that I had. Originally, I think I wasn't sure what was going on in my body. And so I think I chose alternative medicine as opposed to conventional medicine because I felt like it would uncover more issues and ultimately get to the root source as opposed to just treating my immediate symptoms. I experienced inflammation. Originally, it was in my feet, in my ankles, and they were sore and weak, and I wasn't walking properly, and it would be very significant early in the morning and then would start to taper off. But then I noticed a decrease in my energy level, which I figured was a whole nother problem. So I had multiple symptoms going on and digestive problems as well. I noticed, uh, all types of pain in my abdomen, and then eventually the swelling did move like to my hands. They weren't sure. The conventional doctor, my family doctor, did run lab tests, and he said my SED rate was high. He wasn't sure what was causing that, and he immediately just wanted to refer me to a rheumatologist or just to take an Advil several times a day, for pain and maybe to help with the inflammation. Once I did the detox procedure and the mud packing, I started to notice an increase in my energy level at first. I kept in constant contact with Dr. Heise so he could answer any questions that I had, so that I didn't get discouraged and so that I would continue on with the phases. So I think I saw improvement probably within 3 to 4 weeks. And then eventually I noticed that when I woke up in the morning, I wasn't having the swelling in my feet or my hands. And then probably about 3 weeks later, maybe into the next phase, I noticed that I was regaining my strength. The duration of the initial onset had been at least 3 to 4 months. I had been experiencing symptoms before I was able to come to terms with going to see a doctor and choosing to see Dr. Heise for alternative medicine. But there was some sort of bumps on my ankles that I think were rheumatoid nodules that the doctor said that he had seen in my previous visit, so which would have put it back about 6 months. I feel great now. I stay on my maintenance nutrients, and I noticed that I've remediated most of my foods. I stay away from gluten. I seem to have a little bit of an issue there, and my body lets me know that if I've eaten it. But of course, as long as I'm on my nutrients, I don't seem to have any issue. I have not taken any medication, any conventional medication, since the day that I began my treatment with Dr. Heise. I am very satisfied with the results that I obtained through Dr. Heise. It would not have been healthy for my body had I chose a different route. I know that now. And I know that I wouldn't have obtained the health that I have now had I gone down the path of conventional medicine, because I wouldn't have addressed the other issues that were going on in my body. They would have just focused on the one, problem, which was just a symptom of all the other things that were going on. My close friends are pretty amazed by the results that I received through Dr. Heise, and it's encouraging, I think, to them, and hopefully one day if they have problems or if they want to increase their health and life longevity, they'll seek alternative medicine as well through Dr. Heise. It's encouraging for me to be able to tell other people my story, patients that may be searching for answers I'm able to share with them my experience and where I started from and then where I am today. Thank you, Dr. Heise.